Alright, welcome to the channel. We got ourselves a crazy one here. Look at this. This is the front of a doctor's office here. Termites came up through this outside wall. You can tell they had that mulch pushed up against the side of the building. Termites worked their way up behind the mulch and they actually found the filet mignon. All those 2x4s. Absolutely terrible. This is bad. I mean, there's clients in there now. Look at those subterranean. Those are mud tubes coming up from the ground. But they tore this up. And on the inside of the building, it's absolutely beautiful inside. You can't see anything. Now, came over here to this side.
Hello.
And look at this. This is on the other side of the window. Wow. And they were just taking care of a leak they had. You can see little termites. Look at that. Termites oozing out of that wood because the workers are here pulling things out. But you can see all the subterranean termites. And guess what? Guess who else came to the feast? Ants. Ants love termites. That's easy pickings for them. They just can't get down to the colony. And look at that. Look at all those termites. And they're dipping down to the ground right now. They are split. And they're like, what the heck's going on here? Look at that. That ant right there just grabbed the termite. Ooh, he's going back to the nest with a nice juicy termite. Got a pill bug there, or a sow bug. It's a pill bug. Look at this. All that. They bring the clay up with them. Look at it. All the termites just coming right out of there. That whole bottom plate devoured. It's a good thing. I'm telling you right now, it's a good thing these workers came out. They use that old, what's that, carpet board or something like that? Guys, let me know in the comments. What's that board they use? That's like a, I have no idea what it is. But it's junk. Yeah, they were just kind of skimming right through this right here. Look at that. See how they eat with the grain? Smooth it all out. You can bring that clay with them to keep them nice and moist. Look at that. Just tore up. They went from fixing a leak to now having to reframe all this. This is that board I was talking to you guys about. I knew the name of this, but it's just freaking paper. Termites find that they're gonna eat it up. When you have too much of that siding, too much of that mulch pushed up against the structure, you need some kind of a sight line. But in this case, it's the brick. But this was all decorative out in the front, just unseen for years. Wow. Well, another termite story. Hit that like, subscribe. I appreciate you guys. See ya.